So welcome back to day 2 of my moving vlog. I don't know if you've noticed, we are now in the new house. So today I have quite a few things to do. I need to arrange all the bags downstairs. I'm gonna start from the kitchen. So I'm gonna arrange all the bags, put all the stuff away, and also clean the kitchen. And then I'm gonna do everything else around the house. And then right after that, we are planning on visiting Onsen's because I have I have few things to pick up. So so we're gonna go to Onsen's and also go to other stores. I need to pick up quite a few things for the house. So I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys with me though because I am tired. No, not because I'm tired, but because I don't feel like I'm in the mood to vlog today because I've just been like moving stuff. I've been up and down and stuff, so it's just a bit tiring for me. So the mood to vlog on my way to Onsen's, I don't really feel it. So, but when we get back, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from Onsen's, anything I picked up from Onsen's, and also from like stores, any shops that I visit today. So so without me rambling too much, because I don't want to talk too much, let's get straight to the video, guys. The last time I picked up my camera to talk to you guys was yesterday when I was going to Sense, and I was so tired when I got back. I just couldn't like show you guys what I picked up. But I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Sense today, and also I'm gonna show you, like, I'm gonna update you with the house and everything, like what we've done to it. I haven't really done much. We've put up, like, I've put up my bed, I've put up my lights, my makeup table, the kids' beds and everything. So we've done quite a lot, okay? So yeah, but it's not there yet. Hopefully very soon. You know, we just have to take it slowly but surely. Okay, is that how it goes? Is that how they say it? Slowly but surely. Okay, guys, let me show you guys what I picked up from Sense. And if you guys are wondering what's going on with my hair, I just have decided to have my hair out for like some time now, because I wear wigs a lot. Wigs eat my hedges. Like, if you can see, like, my hedges are literally gone. So that's what wigs do to me. But I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be doing frontals anymore. Just to be clear, frontals are breaking my edges. Like, look at this. I just cannot believe how I used to have so much hair, like, around here. It's all gone, all gone. That's what frontals do to you. When you wear frontals 247, you wear frontals when you go to bed, you wear your wig when you go to bed, you wear this when you go to bed. It's crazy. So it's like, that's what you get. So now I'm just trying to like grow my edges. Okay. So I'm gonna show you, the first thing I picked up was this cushion. Is gold and grey and white, really nice. I love it. This was £14 from Focus. Come on. Yes, £14 from Next. I absolutely love this cushion. I'm still on the hunt for a gold cushion to go on each side of the sofa. So obviously, I'm sure you can tell the theme for this room is going to be pink and gold and grey. Okay, so yeah. And also I picked up this candle for £6.99, and it looks just like so. It's so pretty. I love this. This is just for decoration only. I absolutely love this candle, like the color, everything. Love it. So the next thing I picked up is this plant. I picked up this banana plant from Sense. I really love this. Is it from Sense or TK Maxx? From Sense, that's it. Sense. And this was $34.99. I absolutely love this plant. It's so cute. I'm not sure if it's gonna stay there, but I just put it there for now, and later on we're gonna find a place to put it. And also the planter I got the planter from TK Maxx is a gold planter, and this was £15. I absolutely love it, like that. Like I said, I'm just not sure where I'm gonna put them, but it's just there at the moment. It's so pretty because I'm still kind of arranging the whole place. So because this sofa's here, I have this grey sofa, cream sofa, that needs to go because I already have my grey sofa over there. So this sofa, I'm waiting for someone to come and pick it up. Once they pick it up, I'm gonna have enough room to finish my decor. The last thing I picked up from TK Maxx also is this door knob and door for like, how much is this? I think the price is there somewhere. Okay, I'll take that out. Okay, so this is £8, £7.99, £8, and it looks just like that. The other one is here because it came off. This is kitchen, and obviously I have tied it up, I've just tidied up everything. Everything is looking neat and clean and arranged. I love it. I don't think I'm done with the decor yet, but maybe later I'm gonna add more stuff. But for now, this is what it's looking like. Okay, and I have like orchid over there, and out there is just a garden, and here is a dining area. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of mine. I'm going to update you guys. I'm going to update you guys on the rest of the house when it's done, when it's nearly done. Okay, not nearly done, when it's done. Okay, we're getting there, we're almost done, just need to get some more bits and bobs. So yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I loved filming this video for you guys. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. Okay, before it used to be 3 times a week. Ain't nobody got time for that. I have to face what pays me. Okay, so you might want to write that down so you don't miss my vlogs or my uploads. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, have a fabulous weekend. Yes, and I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday, for the next vlog. Bye guys. Mwah.